Yes, I will today show you how to change the remote battery for the Holden new generation remote like this one. As you can see here, the remote battery. You can pull this one. See here, you can see the battery, and you can put something there. With the battery like this, then the battery you can put like this, there to push it, it's getting long and the back cover on. Yep, this one, change the remote battery for the Holden.